Well, hello again, YouTube. Well, hopefully you survived Monday, and we're now moving on to Tuesday. And our Tuesday promo code is 4779, and we are going to feature a disc cleaner with a wheel kit on it. Why a wheel kit? Because it weighs 4,000 pounds, and it'd be really nice to just grab a hook on one end with the hitch and go ahead and just tote that thing off to where you need it. This disc cleaner is not going to have a power pack on it. It's designed to run off of your splitter or some other kind of hydraulic unit. I know we've run ours off of the Bobcat Toolcat or even off of our S300. It doesn't take much to make things go round, but we do have it designed to kind of run in parallel with a processor or a big splitter and a conveyor. So the regular retail price on this with the wheel kit is going to be $23,325. Give you that 10% off, which is $2,332 to bring it to a sale price of $20,993. We're going to go ahead and give you an additional $668 off on this unit to give you a grand total savings of $3,000 with a crazy price of $20,325 on this disc cleaner with a wheel kit. 833 splitter, that's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Hit that like and subscribe button. Stay up to date, especially this week.